mga squatters or refugees. Remember that Sulu was never a back door. It was always a front door. Even way, or many centuries before the Philippines became a country. We were already trading with other countries. So, ganon. We want to show to people that in Sulu, we know how to live. Yun ang gusto namin ipakita. That's why whenever we construct buildings, structures, school buildings, and other infra, we see to it that it is always a state of the art. You should come and visit our library. You should come visit our sports complex. This is not from the barn. Not from the barn. You should see now the under renovation offices, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, the office of the governor, our roads, the widening. This is not from the barn. So yan ang sinasabi namin. But then, just for the benefit of the doubt, if ever, why don't we give everybody a chance? A chance to opt in or opt out. Sana magkaroon tayo ng plebisito sa lahat ng provinces, including Sulu. Yun ang payag kami. Sulu, Basilan, Tawi-Tawi, Lanao Sur, Maguindanao Norte, Maguindanao Sur. Maybe, sir, with due respect, baka gusto mo pag maganda ang talaga ang barb, sama natin ang Bukidnon. Mindanao naman yan eh. Para medyo gumanda. So, yan sana ang gusto namin. That is why 17 mayors are here. Nandito lahat. Actually, I would like to invite Senator Sobire and of course the chairman, si Senator Ejercito, to come to Sulu as people and see how we are there in Sulu. Sarap ng buhay namin. You can walk at night till the wee hours of the morning. Nandiyan ang mga tao. They are enjoying the peace. Oh, they love so much the peace. Ngayon, ang gusto namin, yung, walang firearms. Wala nang firearms sa Sulu. Gunless Sulu. Yan ngayon ang programa namin with the Armed Forces of the Philippines and with the Philippine National Police and with all of the mayors and of